The purpose of this video is to show you how to use the Turnitin Originality Report check Dropbox. So to do that, click on the Assignments link in the course navigation menu. If you scroll down the page, you will see an undated assignment, and the one you want is the Turnitin Dropbox. You click that link, and there's the button where you'll go to turn in your paper. Now please note, the very first time you submit a paper to this Dropbox, the Originality Report will process immediately, but all following submissions to this space will take up to 24 hours to process. So that means you need to plan ahead. You need to give yourself more than 24 hours to get the results back and make changes if you would like to. So click the button, and this is where you'll submit your papers. I've already submitted one. You can see it's 100% similar to something else on the internet. But let's say I was going to submit another assignment. I would come and click this button, and you want to confirm that you want to continue. And then you give the submission a title. Then you click the Select a File to upload. And once the paper processes, you are given a preview of that paper. If you have attached the correct paper, then you click Accept Submission and Save. If you have uploaded the incorrect paper, click Cancel Submission and then start again. So I'll go ahead and accept this submission and save. And now notice the clock. That's letting me know that it's going to take some time until this Originality Report processes for me. So I'm going to need to come back on after February 3rd at 12:55 p.m. So notice that's when that process is going to be concluded. Then I can look at that Originality Report. So let's say that the Originality Report has processed, and I see that it's 15% similar to other submissions that have been made online. To access my Similarity Report, I click on either the color that it produces or the percentage, and that will open my Originality Report in a different window. And here I can see the originality levels. And I can see where these similar papers were submitted and the level of similarity they were. To download this Similarity Report, the Originality Report for your instructor, look in the bottom left corner of the report and you see a picture of a printer. That's the Print and Download button. So if you click that, you're presented with three choices. The one you want to make is to download the PDF of the current view for printing, so that way your instructor can see your Originality Report when you submit it. So I clicked that link and my paper is downloading. And now I'll show you what it looks like, the download. So here it is. It's got my name on it. It lets you know the information about the paper. Then it includes the paper with the highlighted originality levels identified in the paper. And at the bottom there are the primary sources that the similarity is attributed to. So this happened to go to my downloads folder. My next step in the process is to turn in this Originality Report into a Canvas assignment. So I'm going to go back into the course, and I'm going to turn the paper in. So I go to the assignment, I click Submit Assignment, I choose the file, and submit the assignment. I can then see my submission receipt, and there's the submission details, and if I wanted to download the paper just so I could make sure it was the right one, I could do that. I'll just do that quickly. There it is, and there's the same one. So I've submitted the Originality Report to my instructor in the Canvas assignment. So in this video we have seen how to use the Turnitin Originality Check Dropbox.